Tu Kazimierz, jesteśmy w Waszyngtonie na zjeździe Mars Society. Rozmawiają. Hej,
There'll be a few little pods of Mars just over here, and then Elon Musk just plonks down his city just next door to him.
Of maybe 10,000 people, but you know, at least
80,000 by the end of his life. That's what he's talking about.
That's great. That's great, and Mars is proving, and from the talks that we heard this morning, what the science that's going on Mars now is continually, almost daily, proving to us that Mars can be inhabited by humans, with, of course, all the measures that you have to take to survive in the beginning.
I mean, that's tricky because when we obviously sent our first flybys to Mars, particularly Mariner 4, for instance, lots of people were very disappointed because they were expecting to see, well, I know some people were expecting 10 hours on Mars, but they were expecting maybe a little shrub life, and then Mars was just seen immediately as being this barren, desolate world. And since then, we've just been repairing that image. We've discovered that there's water on Mars. In fact, abundant water ice just underneath the surface. Phoenix in 2008, of course, 6 centimeters beneath the surface, found abundant water ice there. So we're learning that Mars really contains all of the ingredients that you need to sustain a lasting human presence using local resources. And incidentally, that's why we're not talking about going to the moon, for instance, because the moon would always really be reliant on certain resources to be shipped from the Earth.
Plus, there's lots of gravity. There's, extracting water.
Well, I think water could be extracted from the moon if you land in the right place, but there are other challenges with it.
Way too many challenges. Do you think that that eventually this whole idea of human settlement on Mars is going to be? I think, in my opinion, I think it's being more and more accepted every day.
Well,
but think about a year ago.
That's why we before Mars One came about in 2012, they originally revealed their plans. Not many people were actually talking about Mars, particularly not talking about the idea of a colony on Mars. They were saying 20 years from now, NASA will do some kind of mission to Mars if they get money, which is of course. But then no one was really talking about what happens after that mission. When do we get people living on that? And then Mars One just cut it to the chase. It's popularised the notion, and now we're seriously talking and researching how we're going to get humans to Mars one day.
Do you think that? I'm sorry to interrupt, but as you're bringing that up, I'm thinking that I sense that there has been a paradigm shift from a human flyby to
two more of my colleagues. Why don't you?
So anyway, the paradigm shift between human flyby to human settlement. I mean, it's drastic. Think about a year ago, and now people are talking about actual human settlement. So which is a good thing.
Mars One is a conversation starter. There's a long. I mean, no one makes it. There's a long way to go.
Jay Mee, Rosario, też jedna z kandydatek do Marsu, w Los Angeles, która ma firmę, która daje metale do przemysłu kosmicznego. Także tak to wygląda. Tutaj jest teraz przerwa obiadowa, tam męczą ludzie Basa Landorfa. Tu rozmawiają nasi kamery i tak dalej, i tak dalej. To na razie tyle. Pa, pa, bye, bye.